Joining us now is Evan Seigerman of BMO Capital Markets. He has a buy rating and a $49 price target on Pfizer. Evan, thanks for being with us. So, I mean, here's my question about this.
Yep.
This is a stock that was at about $50 at the beginning of the year, down about 20%. People worried about life after COVID for Pfizer. Is this too much of a positive reaction, given just how many contenders there seem to be in weight loss drugs?
So there's a few things to unpack there. First, there are a lot of weight loss drugs out there. You hear about Ozempic, Wegovy, Mounjaro. Novo also had data for their oral drug, Rybelsus, out today. There's a lot going on. In terms of, is this enough to kind of reverse peak pessimism for Pfizer? It helps. I do want to remind folks that this data was initially presented back in September. Now that it's in a peer-reviewed journal, it's back in the headlines. I would say that this is pretty important. It could help, by mid to late in the decade, contribute at least $5 billion to their top line. Could be even more if we see better data from this asset or their follow-up asset.
Okay, so you have Pfizer regaining all of the losses since the beginning of the year, pretty much, a $49 price target. What gets it there?
What gets it there? More data from this asset. So they have additional data coming later this year. Traction with some of their new launches, including Nurtec. Remember, they acquired this asset from Biohaven last year, Oxbryta, also from their acquisition of GBT, and potentially the closing of the Seagen deal, or more progress there, given the FTC concern raised last week with Amgen Horizon.
So, Evan, what I want to know is, with all these contenders either on the market or going through their trials to come onto the market, is there room for everyone? Is this a rising tide that lifts all boats?
So the way I think about the market is you have the injectables, so think Mounjaro, Ozempic, Wegovy. That's for a certain type of patient. They're seeing an endocrinologist, likely more severe. And then you're going to have the orals. Think the Pfizer drug that we're talking about. That's going to be given by a PCP where you need 5 to 10% weight loss. So they're kind of different segments of the market. My modeling, we have 100 billion, 100 with a B, billion sales in this broader class. 50 or so billion for Lilly's Mounjaro, but there's still room for other assets to clearly take share.
Okay, I'm going to ask the tacky question. I mean, we talk about, weight loss for diabetes and health-related reasons, but we've seen something like Ozempic as well used maybe for more cosmetic purposes too. Is there a market there? I mean, is it realistic to think that you're going to see an expansion, a more meaningful expansion into that?
So I really try to shy away from the fads. I know it's really in vogue right now. But when I look at the potential for Mounjaro or Wegovy, that's for patients who have BMIs of 30 plus or 27 plus with comorbidities. That's where you're getting a decent part of the market. I think for some of these orals, patients who are somewhat overweight, I try to kind of stay away from Ozempic at the Oscars. I know that's a great kind of headline right now, but that's not really what we're looking at here.
How concerned should investors be that this pill you got to take twice a day, which is different from an injection once a week, and also the issue of marketing? I mean, when you got so many different companies in the space, it's going to affect margins, no?
A few things. One, yes, this is a twice daily, but Pfizer actually has a backup asset that's once daily, and they've told me that they could reformulate this in later phases to be once daily. So that's not an issue. In terms of marketing, Pfizer's a marketing machine. Clearly, they would need to put some investment behind it, but that's not like any other drug launch, nothing that they couldn't handle. And remember, this is a small molecule. That's the best type of drug to produce in terms of gross margin versus a peptide or a biologic. So you're getting a margin benefit right there.